Hello, my name is Alexei, and today we're going to observe the differences between the present simple tense and the present continuous tense. In particular, we will discuss the use, the form, and some examples on which we will understand how and when we should use these tenses. So let's begin with the use. We use the present simple tense when the action in the sentence is regular or habitual. On the contrary, we use the present continuous tense when the action is happening at the moment of speech, or right now. What about the form? How do we form the present simple tense? We take the first form of the verb, or if it is the third person singular, we also add the flexion s or es. How do we form the present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is formed with the help of the auxiliary verb to be. Its forms are is, am, and are, and also we should use the verb from the second column with the ing. Good. Now let's take a closer look at the examples. So the first example that we have here, let's go out. It isn't raining now. How do I understand that we should use the present continuous tense in here? We use it because of now. We understand that the situation is happening at the moment of speech, and thus we have to use the present continuous tense. Example number 2. Julia is very good at languages. She speaks 4 languages very well. We have to understand, is it her general quality, or is the action happening right now? Obviously, Julia has the ability to speak languages very well, thus we should use the present simple tense. So we write the subject she, then the verb. Speaks, mind that there is s flexion because of she. She is the subject of the sentence, which is the third person singular. Let's take a closer look at example number 3. Hurry up, they wait for you. So we understand that the situation is happening at the moment of speech, and we should use the present continuous tense. We use the subject, they, then we use the form of the verb to be, they are, and the verb with the ing. They are waiting. Good. Example number 4. You listen to the radio, no, you can turn it off. We understand it is a question, thus we have to start it with the auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb for the present continuous tense is the form of the verb to be. So we put the form of the verb to be, which is are, then we put the subject, are you, and then the verb with ing again. Are you listening to the radio? No, you can turn it off. So, in a nutshell, we use the present simple tense when the action is regular or repeated, and on the contrary, we use the present continuous tense when the action is happening at the moment of speech. Remember the use and remember the forms, and see you later. Thank you for your attention.